Hey YouTube, this is 8482 Media. We're going to be doing a quick tutorial guide on how to use the masking tool in Premiere Pro. So you want to start off here by going to your left top, opening up and going to your effects control panel. You can access it by going here too, or just simply clicking here if it's up on the top. So now if it's not open, you want to go to the FX opacity, click on that. Go over to your free draw Bezier, click that. So you're going to get this tool right here. Make sure you have your video selected that you want to add the masking to. So I have the first one on the top selected. So I'm going to be clicking here the space I want to start masking. So I'm going to choose each corner here. That started. And then I'm going to close it in and bring it in. So there you go. So now, as you can see the masking, it's showing what I clicked. So which was on that video, the water here, the ocean. But I want to change that. I want to show what's behind this and have the video underneath the project. So I'm going to go over here to my FX control panel, go down to introvert, click that. So now it's going to come through. So here to fix this and smooth out the edges or fill in any rounds, and you can rotate it if you need to, as so. And by going Bezier here, you can actually fill in at another point. Smooth out the edges here, fill in what you need to. So I'm gonna go in here, get it smoothed out. Everything looks pretty good for this. So from there, everything's good. You can set up here the masking effects. As you can see, everything looks good. So this was a quick basic tutorial on getting you started on using the masking tool and finding it here on your Premiere Pro project window. So hopefully that helped. Catch you in the next one. Peace.